Intelligent, energy-saving, and efficient. Tayu Machinery makes a grand appearance at DMP Expo. Tayu devoted himself to developing the low-table vertical injection molding machine of all generations, already leading the global development trend of vertical injection molding machines. Zero-gravity intelligent energy-saving injection molding machine. The energy-saving system saves 15到30% compared to traditional machines with the same oil pump. Injection molding product display, reversing radar. Two ultra-low workbench two-platen machine has large modulus capacity and high mold opening stroke. Tayu's patented technology facilitates adjustment of mold opening stroke and high production efficiency. Injection molding product display, headlight lampshade. Vertical injection molding machine. Injection and mold clamping are driven by servo motors. Achieve high efficiency, high precision, short cycle, low energy consumption operations. Injection molding product display, speaker cover.